what's up? It's Seafood Cuddle, and I just finished a project I've been working on for I don't know how many hours and days. I found an old scan from back in San Francisco when I was at the Doc-Fai Wong Center, and it's an old photo from 1969 of a young Grandmaster, Doc-Fai Wong, doing a demonstration in Chinatown in 1969, and I decided I was going to colorize it. In the beginning, I just wanted to colorize Grandmaster, and then I decided maybe I'd go take it a step further and go give it my all, colorize the entire crowd, the buildings, the road, everything. And there were challenges along the way, but it was such a cool experience because as you start looking at each person, up close, you start seeing little details and little parts of their story. Like there's a lion dancer who has his shoes off because he just finished lion dancing and he's airing out his feet. The kids in the front are drinking, Pepsi, and there's like two gentlemen talking to each other. There's an old man holding a cane, things that you wouldn't really pay attention to, especially in the black and white image. And even when it's colorized, it's hard to see all of these things unless you're like hyper focusing on it. Now, I will say, because I don't know exactly what the event was and how things were done back then, I had to take some artistic liberties as far as obviously the color of clothing, but also there are ribbons that a lot of people are wearing in the picture. And from what I understand and what I've seen before, typically you're either going to see like a yellow ribbon or a red ribbon. So judging by how light or dark it was in the original image, I just made it red or yellow. So if anybody's really good in their history and they want to let me know where I went wrong on this, feel free to let me know. But I made a time lapse and I put all of my crazy amount of hours of work and over 700 different layers of color into about 30 seconds of video. So enjoy. Okay, so there you go. It's super cool to me. I think, again, I think it was such a cool project. It was a lot of fun to do. And like I said, it was really interesting to see all the little details come together. And in the end, this was a really big exercise for my Photoshop skills, both in colorization and animation and photo manipulation. So yeah, there was a lot of fun on that one. And if I do anything crazy like this again, I will upload another video. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.